Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix to continue verify payment method on your iPhone or iPad. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing this type of message or a message on your screen that to continue on this device verify at least one payment method. If you can't verify any payment methods, contact your family organizer. If you are facing this type issue on your iPhone or iPad, so let's see how can you easily fix that. So very first step is that you have to verify your payment method, or you can add new payment method if you want to. So very first, just open your settings app here, tap on your Apple ID here, and here select the payment and shipping option. Here you'll find your payment method. You can update it from here, or I recommend you have to delete your payment method from here. And once you have deleted your payment method, you have to open your app store here, tap on the profile option in the top right corner, select Apple ID, verify yourself, and then select country or region option. Select your own country or region in which you are living. And once you have selected, just tap on continue option here, tap on agree in the top right corner. And here you have to add your payment method again. You just have to add your payment method, then you have to add your billing address, your street, your postcode. If you don't know about that, you have to look for Google, or you can search it from Google, and after that under town, country, your phone number, enter your name, and after all you have to tap on done option in the top right corner, and in this way your payment method will be updated and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.